Hi there, Penny Johnson again, your instructor for the summer section of Outlook. In this video, we're going to take a look at importing a data file into our Outlook software via the virtual desktop. So you can see I've already got Outlook running via my virtual desktop. So I have my Outlook screen displayed here. I'm going to do a little trick to show you some more information. So I'm running the virtual desktop via my web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. So here I'm going to choose this minimize button. I'm not going to minimize Google Chrome. I'm just going to minimize Outlook running via the virtual desktop. So I'm going to choose this minimize button. That displays my virtual desktop sitting in the background. So it takes a little bit to get used to this. It's kind of like having learned how to play the piano. Now we have to learn how to play the organ. It's similar, but it's different, right? So just try to take some time to play around and get comfortable. Give yourself, a little time. Don't expect to be perfect at it right off the bat. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and maximize Outlook again, and I'm ready to import some data files. So I'm gonna work in chapter 1, just as an example. I'm on page, I think it's page 7. So I'm gonna choose File, Open and Export. They're two different things, but they're in the same group together. From that group, I'm gonna choose Open Outlook Data File. Now, our data files are already saved for us on our virtual desktop. So when you log into the virtual desktop, the files are already there waiting for you. So from here at the left, choose Desktop. This is not your regular desktop on your laptop or your computer. This is the desktop related to the virtual desktop. And see, there sits Outlook 2016 class files. Now we see these because we chose the command Open Data Files. That's why they're displayed there and nothing else displays. It's because it's looking specifically for Outlook data files. I'm going to go ahead and double click that folder. I'm working in module 1, so I'm going to double click the icon for module 1. And on page 7, now if I flip to page 8, it tells me to double click on Sophia. So I'm going to double click on the Sophia file. So now at the left, I have my Outlook data files sitting there. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. I'm going to click the arrow next to Outlook data files to expand that set of information. And that's where I'll click Inbox so that now my inbox looks like the textbook. If you have any trouble with that or if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time.